Hi everyone, and welcome to the episode 6 of Python Simple series. In the previous episode, I talked about some basic operations and functions in math. Right now, we'd like to plot these functions with a new library named Matplotlib. So this episode is introducing plot function in Python. Okay, for doing some basic plot in Python, we need two important libraries. These are very important. First, which is Matplotlib, especially .Pyplot. We need this, and also a very popular library named Numpy. About Numpy in the next episodes in the future, we should discuss very much more than this, but in this video we needed to introduce this to you because of some simple functions, and this is a library for, as the name tells to us, for numerical operations. Okay, and this is for plotting. Good. So let's see, and let's introduce them to you. At first, this is Matplotlib. You see, visualization with Python. Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating a static, animated, and interactive visualization in Python. Matplotlib makes easy things and hard things possible. You can see that many interesting and amazing charts and diagrams can be drawn by Matplotlib, and also we can see that here Numpy is a very popular program library for Python, and it is as you can see here. I will share this to you in the link in the comment. It is a Numpy user guide written by Numpy community, and it's 2021. And when we go through this, we'll see Numpy is a functional package for scientific computing in Python. It is really a useful library. Okay, so let's go to the Python simple notebook that I've shared with you already, and make it a text here and say plot and visualization intro in Python. Oh, okay, this is Python, so no need to repeat again. Yes. Okay, so let's make it bold. Yeah, okay. As you know, when we want to import a library, we will use import Numpy. Okay, as you remember, I told to you that it also suggests to us. As you remember, I told to you, when you import a library, we use Numpy, and we can use a alias for a smaller name. Okay, for example, import Numpy. If we don't want to repeat this name and use a smaller one, we use aliases. Okay, import Numpy as np. So this is very small and easy, and many developers are using these aliases for each library, one alias. For example, for pandas they use pd, but it's up to you, no problem. But as most of the developers use this, you can also use this. Okay, you import Numpy as np, but it's not mandatory, just for making it easy and comfortable. Okay, and also tells to us. Okay, NumPy provides an array object of arbitrary homogeneous items, fast mathematical operations, and linear algebra, Fourier transform, and so on. Okay, and also this one I could also add import Matplotlib, yes, .Pyplot as PLT. PLT, you see, is very simple and easy and short in comparison to this big term. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Okay, as we introduce how to work with mathematical objects, suppose that we have some numbers like this, and the y function is 2x, and we wanna plot this. Okay, we know that it would be like this, do you know? So how to plot this with Python? The first thing that we should take care is that this is some numbers. So how we can reproduce it in Python? So because of this, we have used NumPy. We can define an array. Okay, array of numbers or array of anything. Okay, so because of this, we have used NumPy. NumPy has a method of array. It can create arrays for us. For example, x equals to np. Np means that we are using NumPy library dot array. Okay, and this one bracket 0 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, and let's see, or we could also make it like this. For example, 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6, for example. Okay, yeah, so when we print x, it will show us this array, yes, and y equals to 2 star x as we define here. Okay, so let's print y and see what's the result. Oh, good, we can see that each item in x in array x is doubled because we define y equals to 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2. Okay, 4 6 8 10 12. Okay, now we want to plot this as we defined Matplotlib.Pyplot as PLT, just PLT here, but the function of plotting is plot here, x and y, x and y. Yeah, you can see, yes, you can see that it will plot this for us. We can do many things in plot. We can work on many things here and do some amazing thing that I will discuss in each episode and session for you. But another thing that I want to show you, for example, some more interesting functions like sinus x. As you can see here, and we suppose that and we expect that the diagram would be like this. Okay, sorry that it is very slow. Yeah, okay, so let's see how to create it. Okay, again, let's define an array x equals to, this time we want to use so many numbers between 0 and 2p, but first let's try an example with some smaller amount. For example, np.array 0. Before that, let's for better and easy understanding, let's define pi equal to np.pi. Okay, good. Each time we don't want to repeat this, so yeah, we wanna define again array 0 p divided by 2 p and okay, we have yes, we made a mistake. We should put yeah, okay, and then y equals to np or mat.sinus, if we defined mat or imported mat, sinus x. Okay, so let's see what will happen if we plot plt.plot x and y. Oh, we can see it's not like a real sinus. So why? You can guess. You can pause the video and guess. Yes, because there are very small amount of numbers with this small amount, so we can have this. So we should expand our numbers of x. For example, 100 numbers between 0 and 2p. Okay, so there's a function in NumPy that I describe more in the next videos. It means NumPy linspace. So when you want to define some numbers between an interval, some specific amount of number, for example 100 numbers between 0 and 2p, you will use this. You can use this. For example, x equals to np.linspace 0 and 2p by 100 numbers. Okay, at first we can use 10 and see the difference. Okay, because here we had just 4 numbers, and then plt.plot x by y. In this time we want to make it more similar to sinus. Sorry, I didn't define. I should define again. Okay, yeah, and this time Yeah, do you see? But again, is not very similar to this. So let's increase this number and make it more amounts of samples in X. Okay, and again, oh, that's good. Here you are. You can see that this is more similar to sinus, and maybe you can you wanna use grid. plt.grid will add a grid on this chart, on this diagram. Okay, yeah, and maybe you want to change the color. You will use the name of color. I will show you in the next videos which colors and how many tricks we can use. For example, for red, yes, you can see it would be red. Okay, in the next video we will go through more details, more examples, and more practice on Python, and some more examples. Okay, I hope this episode would be useful and informative for you, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe in my channel and also introduce to your friends and colleagues who are interested. Thank you for your time, and hope to see you in the next videos. Bye.